Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Tyler here, and today we're talking about the wonderful, weird, wacky world of Florida. Yes, the wonderful, weird, wacky world of Florida sees a woman trying to sue Kraft Mac and Cheese because, according to her, they lied. They lied to her because how dare they say that it takes 3.5 minutes to microwave the uh, Velveeta Shells and Cheese. No, 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 no. According to her, it takes longer. It takes longer than that, and they should be sued, and she should get paid $5 million for some stupid reason. So, yes, welcome to the wonderful world of suing somebody over stupid shit. Now, let's get into this. Basically the whole story. A Florida woman has decided to sue Kraft Mac and Cheese or Kraft Foods because they lied and said it took 3.5 minutes to prepare their shells and cheese. So the only thing that I did was I went and I looked up the directions for the Kraft shells and cheese, and we are going to read them right now. We're going to read them, we're going to study them, and then we're going to conduct the mathematics. Shall we? Let's read and then let's discuss each step and how long it takes.
Kraft Velveeta Shells and Cheese. Directions. Heading level 3 descript. Directions. Heading level 3.
All right. So this is a microwavable product, okay? So here's the first step.
Directions. 1. Remove lid and cheese sauce pouch. You will see loose white powder in pasta. This is necessary for proper cooking. 2. Add water to.
Oops.
Directions. 1. Remove lid and cheese sauce pouch. You will see loose white powder in pasta. This.
All right. Remove remove lid and cheese sauce pouch. Okay. That probably takes 2 seconds. Okay. That's easily done. Easily done.
Is necessary for proper cooking. 2. Add water to fill line in cup. Do not fill water above line.
Add water to fill line in cup. Okay, that probably takes 30 seconds. So 2 seconds plus 30 seconds, that's 32 seconds.
Stir. 3. Microwave uncovered on high 1/2 min or until pasta is tender. Caution. Cup and
Stir. So stirring, probably to mix the water, probably will take another 10 seconds. Okay, so we are at a total of 42 seconds, and then microwave for 3.5 minutes. Okay, that seems reasonable, right? You microwave it for 3.5 minutes. Let's keep reading. By the way, the product will be hot. I know it's radical, but it will be hot.
contents will be very hot. Keep cup upright to avoid spills. 4. Stir in cheese sauce until well blended. Let stand 1 to 2 minutes to thicken cheese sauce. Do not leave microwave unattended. 2.
Okay. Okay, so then you stir in the cheese sauce, and then let stand for another 1 to 2 minutes. You're not exactly cooking it, you're just trying to mix everything in. So 1 to 2 minutes, okay.
Content blended. Let stand 1 to 2 minutes to thicken cheese sauce. Do not leave microwave unattended. 2. Not reuse cup.
You know the side note, some poor schmuck probably decided, hey, I'm going to reuse this cup. I don't know why, and it probably melted and did weird shit. All right, so she is basically suing Kraft because it takes longer than 3.5 minutes to prepare the meal, and they're lying to her. Technically, they're not. Technically, they're not because let's keep reading the instructions.
Heading level 3 description.
Let's read the description.
Kraft Velveeta Shells and Cheese. Ready in 1/2 minutes. Original. Just add water. Microwavable.
Kraft shells and cheese ready in 3.5 minutes. Technically, they're not lying because it is ready. You just have to do a few extra steps that take seconds. So she thinks $5 million is worth seconds of her time. Okay.
Shell pasta and cheese sauce. Heading level 3 other description. Kraftfoods.com. 1-800-847-1997. Copyright Kraft Foods. Heading level 3 nutrition facts.
All right. Anyway, so what do I think about this story? I think she's out of her freaking mind, boys.
Google Calendar.
She's
Cream and
she is asking for something that I don't think she deserves. $5 million because they didn't put on the box. They didn't add in the few extra seconds that it takes to take the lid off, remove the cheese pouch, add the water, stir in the cheese pouch. Those are times that take seconds of your day. And yes, there are days where I say time that I say every second that I say time is valuable. You'll never get it back. But my God, they included the 1 to 2 minutes of let standing, so I don't see where she's got a problem. Whatever. What do you think? Is this woman out of her mind, or am I out of my mind? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.
button stop. Link cleansed button 604 button stop.